Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 8, chapter number 1, real number. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Fifteen upon 1600 is equal to 15 upon 16 into 100. So is equal to 15 upon 16 into 4 into 25 is equal to 15 upon 2 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 2 is equal to 15 into 5 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6 is equal to 15 into 625 upon 10 raised to 6 is equal to 9375 upon 10 raised to 6 and is equal to 0.009375, which is a terminating. Okay. Then next question. 29 upon 343 is equal to 29 upon 7 raised to 3. So this is the factorization. If you factorize this here, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m is not there, and therefore this is non-terminating. Okay. Then next question, 23 upon 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2 is equal to 23 into 5 upon 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 is equal to 115 upon 10 raised to 3 is equal to 0.115. So it is a terminating because the factors of q are in the form 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n. Okay. Then question number 7. 129 upon 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 5. Now if you observe this because of this 7 raised to 5, the factorization of q is not of form 2 raised to m and 5 raised to n, and therefore it is non-terminating. Okay. Then next question, question number 8. 6 upon 15 is equal to 2 raised to 5 raised to 1. Here I simplify. So it is divisible by 3. So this is 2 upon 5. That means 2 upon 5 raised to 1. So 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2 is equal to 4 upon 10 is equal to 0.4, and this is a terminating form. Then 35 upon 50. 35 upon 50 is equal to 35 upon 2 into 25 is equal to 35 upon 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 2 is equal to 35 into 2 upon 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 is equal to 70 upon 10 raised to 2 is equal to 0.70 is equal to 0.7, which is terminating. Question number 10. 77 upon 2 raised to 10, 210 is equal to 77 upon 7 into 30 is equal to 11 upon 30. This I simplify. So this is equal to 11 upon 2 into 3 into 5, and because of this 3, this is non-terminating. Okay. Question number 3. Now this question is slightly complicated. Try to understand. Question is what very small. Question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and the form P upon Q, what can you say about the prime factor of Q? Okay. Now observe this number properly. 43.123456789, and the point is given here. That means it is terminating. So this is a rational number and it is terminating, and therefore prime factors of Q are of form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Okay, so observe this properly. Here this point is what very important. This point means what? It is terminating, and if it is terminating, then the factors of Q are of form 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. Okay. Then observe second number. 0.120 1 to 0 1 to 0 0 1 to 0 0 0 1 to 0 0 0 0. Here the zeros are what? Increasing, and the one here dot 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 dot, that means it is not terminating. Okay, and also what? It is not repeating, because 120 and this is 1 to 0 0. 1 to 0 0 0 means not a group it is. So therefore this is not a rational number. So it is irrational number. Then third, you observe properly what is given. 43.123456789, and one bar is there. That means it is this group is what? Repeating, and hence this number is a rational number, but factors of Q are not of form what? 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So 43.123456789 bar, this is a rational number, but prime factors of Q are what? Other than 2 or what? 5. Okay, is it clear? So this question is slightly complicated. Go through this question again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Your comments are always welcome. Thank you. Take care.